This first part here is the finished section, kind of the Golden Gate Bridge with the reflection of the sky into the water. So here just kind of showing you the way to draw the initial sketch here. And this part just showing the coloring over the top. Trying to zoom in and see if I can zoom into this section here. There's the vertical piece, just a shape, just duplicating it, grouping it together, and then uniting it with a pathfinder. Here's just using the cables on the top with the pen tool, zigzagging up here with the pen tool, and then changing it to a thinner stroke. And then the rectangular shape on the outside, and then just using the gradients, kind of finding the particular color scheme and changing it to a radial, placing it over the side, duplicating it, and letting it be a item that you can trap in all the colors and make it into a unified shape. So all the black lines that went over the border can be trapped in. Just make a screenshot of that. And that's the final piece, just a simple landscape, but just to show you in the gradient panels, the color swatches, when you click on them, allows you to change the size of them a little bit larger, and then the color swatches at the bottom where you can pick the colors as soon as you choose them. You can take them and change this to large view so you can see your colors. The gradients you can pick, I'll just grab foliage and it'll put it right into the swatches panel. If you toggle back and forth, you can see one or two, just shift key to click one or more of these. But if you just click and drag it as a way to get in there, shift key will take them in succession. Command key, you can take one at a time or delete them. And that's an easy way to put them all into your color panel so you have them for future use or as you're putting them together. And then just highlighting them all there. Then when you go back, make a copy of this guy here. Just change the color, use the gradient. You have the radial, linear. Here's this color swatch in the gradient panel as well as the annotator. And you can pick and choose colors from the different color picker items on the left. You can swap the colors so the gradient swaps back and forth. Save your gradient. So if you haven't tried it or forgotten, these are just some of the keystrokes for it. Grabbing the little icons on the annotator to change the positioning and the lighting of it. And this will give you a shape here just using the eyedrop tool to duplicate it. And then here you can modify it with the annotator or the gradient panel, either direction. So just giving you a little more practice at that if you haven't seen it. Just putting it together with a quick landscape to finish that part off. Here you can modify, change, rotate. Again, just click off the background, make a screenshot of your finished image, and you're all set.